Oh, thanks. It is a rainy day. We're bored. I need to go to the post office, so we're gonna go do some running around. Want to go to the Dollar Tree, and I haven't been to Target yet this season to check out the Target dollar spots. I think that's what we'll do, and then while we're there, we'll check out some of the Halloween stuff. All right, so let's go.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there.
I'm keeping an eye on you.
You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you messed with my head. You lied to my mother, you lied to my friends. You said that you'd be there, that this never ends. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost.
It doesn't work. Bummer.
Inside my head. You're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. You're just a ghost inside my head. Oh, you're just a ghost used to tie my head.
Shorty would love that. She would go crazy. Hey, look, it's Shane Dawson. Yay, Team YouTube. Oh, that's terrible. Sorry, guys. Look, it's Goofy. Oh, I love Goofy. And this is pretty cool. Just about to start vlogging and the dog starts squeaking. Figures. We're back from all the running around. We went to the post office. We went to the Dollar Tree. I tried to film a little bit in the Dollar Tree, but that was a big fail because there was just so many people and every aisle had somebody in it and like their cart like smack dab in the center of everything. So it was just chaotic getting around, so I didn't film anything really. I think I got 10 seconds, if that. Then we went to Target, filmed a little bit of Halloween stuff, and I ended up buying this guy in the Target dollar spot. This was $3, and it's got a tea light in it, so it lights up like so. They had it in silver and black, so I got black. I thought this would look really, really good on my mantle that I'm doing a witchy theme, so I made a little space for it right here next to my Enchanted Forest picture that I took of the witch. Looks good. Alright, Pete's making dinner and our plan is to just relax the rest of the evening, maybe watch a spooky movie. I don't know what. I'll have to see what Hulu has available. I have the Monster Squad on my watch list. I know that's not spooky, it's cute. I want to see Practical Magic, but I don't think Hulu has it, so I'll have to see if I have it in my DVD collection. Anyway, just gonna relax the rest of the evening, crochet some more scarves because I keep getting orders. It's crazy, but it's a good crazy. I love it. And that's pretty much going to be it for today. So thank you so much for watching today's Vlogtober. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Have a good night, good day, good morning, all the things. Bye.
She had the gift of magic. And it was this very gift